Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Paul. I own and operate TCI Development. We're a building contracting company located in Southern California. If you've been following along, we are back out here on the 4,000 square foot custom home going into Temecula Valley wine country. I've been out of town for about a month. I was on military orders and then I went on a little vacation. So we haven't done any filming since we were having the roofing tile installed. But a lot of things have happened. So let's go over a few of those things. You can see behind me right here, we have our 3,500 gallon water tanks. These are for the fire suppression system. You know, these were a requirement because the fire hydrant is about 600 feet down the road, and you have to put water tanks if you don't have a fire hydrant within 500 feet of the back of the house. Also, even though that fire hydrant is 600 feet down the road, it doesn't put out enough water pressure for the fire sprinklers in this house. So we need about 1,100 gallons a minute. It only puts out about 550 gallons a minute. So if you remember in the previous video, we ran a dedicated 2-inch water line all the way up from the top of the driveway. We ran it down here, okay? And then we stubbed it up right here. We bring it up into this 3,500 gallon tank. You can see we have this PVC pipe here, this clear pipe, so we can see the water in it. Then this tank self-levels with this other 3,500 gallon tank. We also had to put a 5 horsepower pump here, and this is our fire hydrant connection for the fire department. So we have a switch in here, right? We just turn it on, it turns the pump on, and if there's ever a fire in the structure down here, the fire department can hook onto it right here and put the fire out, plus utilizing their trucks. But this was a requirement for this fire sprinkler system here, you know, and we waited over 3 months for these water tanks. You know, we normally get these tanks within a week or so, but like with everything else, material acquisition is very difficult right now. We also have Brian and Jason here from Diamond Valley Garage Doors. They are installing the garage doors. Okay, we waited about 16 weeks for those. But no matter where you get garage doors from, and we get directly from the manufacturer, but if you're ordering from the big box stores like Home Depot or Lowe's, they are not going to be getting garage doors till probably December or January. So we have a lot of projects going on, you know, and we've been trying to film as much as possible, but just running out of time. You know, it's a second job or a third job for me, filming, because I serve in the military and I also run this company. But we're going to go down and check out these guys installing the garage doors. We also have all the roofing tile on. You can see behind me, the roofing tile is completed. Okay, all that's done. We have all of our electrical that's completed. So my electrician, Jeremy, was out here from AC Electric. He has all the ceiling fans hung on the back porch. He has all the switches and everything installed on the inside. We have our cabinets that are being installed right now, and we had to invent a unique way of hanging some cabinets because the owner decided in this side of the house over here that he wanted some upper cabinets to span across. However, normally, if you're going to install upper cabinets, you have a wall to hang them on. And this was an afterthought, so there was no wall to hang them on, so we invented a unique system to hang these cabinets, and it came out really nice. It's looking really good, so we'll go in and get some footage of that. Right now, let's go over here and check out the garage door installation and see what's happening. But you can see right here, all this came out really nice. You can see the drip metal up here that we overhung the stucco. Tile looks really good, bird-stop looks really good, the colors look really good. So this project's really turning out nice, you know. Even though we were gone for about a month, things are coming along really good. So let's go over here and check it out. This is Jason and Brian from Diamond Valley Garage Doors. These are my garage door installers. You know, these guys are like me. They're real picky about everything, making sure everything's nice and straight and level and very clean. So works out great. So they're out here right now installing these garage doors. This one right here behind me is already installed. Check that out. You know, they have it all installed. Track, everything looks nice and clean. Looking good. He's gonna shut it so you guys can check it out. Nice looking door. Colors look real good with the stucco. You know, the stucco's ivory in color. You know, but really a clean look for this house. Very clean. That door is nice and straight and level and professional, just the way we like everything. So they're doing this side over here now. Let's go over here and check this out. You can see right here they install the lower panel first. Okay, they put their tracks on, right? They put the lower part of their tracks. They use levels and everything. They're installing the lower level first, and then they will put each level as they go up. So things are looking really good out here on this project. We're gonna go inside now, check out the cabinet work. We have all the interior doors hung. currently working on installing all the door casings around the doors. So we'll go in right now and we'll check out the cabinets on the inside and see how that's coming along. Okay, you can see that we have upper cabinets. We have them about 13 or 14 inches below our lights up above, so it doesn't drown out the light. But the owner wanted upper cabinets in here, and like I said, this was an afterthought. You can see right here, he wanted upper cabinets across the span right here. Okay. Let's go around here and check it out. So we ran them at 61 inches above, so it doesn't close off the room. Okay, you can see it looks really good. So the room isn't closed off. We put a cabinet on the back side here that's going to have a cabinet door. That way they can get to dishes and stuff that are in there, because you can never get to it on the other side when it's in the corner like that. But what we did was, because we didn't have a wall framed across here, we welded a bracket. You can see right here. We made a metal bracket. We welded it together. We cut open the wall and we put some backing inside the wall, and then we bolted this metal 1-inch tube bracket, and then we hung the cabinets off of that. So now they're free floating with no wall behind them. Came out really nice. And what we will do is we have a skin that goes over the back of these cabinets. Okay, we have a backing on those cabinets, and that backing will come down, hang down below here, and go over and nail to this front piece. So it will have a bottom on it, and you will never see the metal bracket. So starting to look good. You know, we had our granite guy come out and measure for granite. But like I said, this cabinet right here in the corner, this cabinet right here is so you can utilize that cabinet. If you go around here and look at the other side, you might have a similar situation. See, we have a cabinet right here. Then we have these right here. We have this dead corner here, and we didn't want to put a corner cabinet in there because it's very small. So we gave them access on the other side of both of these. But yeah, got the hood goes right there, you know. Everything's looking really good, coming out really clean. My cabinet guys did a beautiful job on these cabinets like they always do. But yeah, everything's coming out really good on this project. Let's go over to the other side and check out the other part of the house. Okay, here's the main part of the house. You can see we have the cabinets installed here. Moving right along. There's the pantry. Right over here is where the refrigerator's going. We got some nice corner cabinets right here. Everything's looking good. We'll put a Lazy Susan on this bottom cabinet here so it can spin and they can get to everything. You know, cabinets look really good. And the owner wanted a raised countertop right here. So we gave him a raised countertop. So this is going to be all granite. It'll be all granite on the front with a backsplash, and then granite that overhangs. Okay. We ran it past right here because his wife wanted a little shelf over here that she can stand stuff on. But everything's coming along really good. Nice and clean. You can see where we cut it out around the outlet, right? We use a CNC machine, so the cut is really clean and even and exact. Looks really nice. Nice looking cabinets. These are going to be stain grade. They're going to have a crown on top of them. Everything looks good. Nice work. My cabinet guys always do a very, very good job. They're picky. They know how I like things. They know that I'm picky and they don't want to do things over. So fortunately, they do it right the first time. We're starting to put the moldings on. You can see right here. Starting to put the moldings around the doors. Everything's looking really good. This project's moving right along. So that's it for now. We're going to go ahead and finish all the molding on the doors, get the closet doors hung. These guys are going to finish up out here with the garage doors. So Jason and Brian are going to finish installing this garage door, get the tracks installed, get the garage door opener up, and then these will be done. So things are looking nice out here. Okay, you can see behind me that we have the ceiling fans installed. Okay, we have all the light switches installed on the outside. We have all the lights installed down here. Down here to check it out. Everything's looking really good, nice and clean. Got the ceiling fan out here on the porch. Just got to finish wiring up the low voltage over there and the switch for the fireplace. But yeah, everything's looking good on this project. So things are looking really good. We're going to continue moving forward on this project, get this project wrapped up. We're going to actually start the interior tile on Monday. Today's Friday. So we're going to start the tile on Monday. So we have 3 showers that we need to tile and then all the floors. But we're going to continue forward on this project. We have equipment on another job right now that we're grading for a 9,000 square foot house. We also have that big custom home coming up that's going to start in about 3 weeks. It got pushed out a little bit because we have some design issues on the septic system, but we have that big mansion starting in about 3 weeks. But other than that, it's nice to be back in town, and we're going to continue rolling on this project. Thanks for watching our channel. Thanks for subscribing. If you could go over and hit the like button, give us a thumbs up on our video, join the channel, follow us on our Instagram page at TCI Development, and hopefully you can learn something by watching our projects. That'll help you with your project. Have an awesome day.